Hi, my name's Theo Stevens. I'm the founder of Bright Idea Egress and Brighter Basements Egress. You can find us on the website at brightideaegress.com or brighterbasements.com. We build the best egress window systems that you can buy. Thanks for watching.
The purpose of this video is to illustrate our sort of proprietary stucco flange installation. Most windows, as you know, are just block style, and then you have to deal with caulking it in. With this stucco flange, which snaps into the accessory groove of this ray howl window, it makes installation really easy. You just put a little caulk back here, you set your window into place, and you're done. Probably a two-person job. You just simply take these straps, you drill a hole here, and you use your fastener to put it into the concrete.